Hi, I'm Tony Browton with Remax City Realty and I'm excited to show you my latest listing here in Gibsons. My phone number is at the bottom of the screen, so please call or text me with any questions about this property. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching.
Boasting what could be the best views in Lower Gibsons, this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, split-level home has been fully renovated and beautifully kept. The main level has an open concept living space with a floor-to-ceiling fireplace, a new kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and that ever-present view. On the top floor are 2 bedrooms, each with their own en-suites. The primary bedroom suite has 2 huge closets and a luxury 5-piece washroom with a freestanding deep soaker tub. The fenced backyard has the cutest shed you'll ever see and the coolest bar you'll ever sit at. Lower Gibsons is the jewel of BC's Sunshine Coast, and it's all within easy walking distance of your new address. Gibsons Marina, the government dock, and the popular Gibsons Public Market are all just a few blocks from home. Lower Gibsons is a favorite summertime destination for locals and visitors alike. This is also where you'll find some of the very best shops and restaurants on the entire Sunshine Coast. The Langdale Ferry Terminal is only an 8-minute drive from home, which makes this an excellent location for people that make regular trips into Vancouver. Let's go back to 531 Sargent Road and take a walk-through tour of this incredible home. Starting from the road, we walk up your long driveway and past the carport and covered patio before stepping inside. Just off the foyer is bedroom number 1. It's a generous size and has its own ocean view. A staircase leads up to the main level. We cross the living room and make a beeline for an amazing deck that runs the full length of the home and provides this astonishing view. You'll see the North Shore Mountains, Keats and Bowen Islands, and Gibsons Harbour. Looking south, you'll see Vancouver Island in the distance. A massive folding patio door opens to the floor-to-ceiling fireplace at this end of the open concept living space. There's a large dining area with its own bar and a new kitchen with its own awesome ocean view. Looking back, we see the vaulted ceiling that runs the home's entire length. Past the island and a breakfast bar, we step down into the TV room before walking down a hall to the first of 3 bathrooms. This 3-piece has pebbled floors and a walk-in shower behind the door. At the end of the hall is bedroom number 2. This bedroom is a very generous size and also has a walk-in closet that houses the washer and dryer. Back in the living room, we head up to the top floor. A hallway with a large closet delivers us to bedroom number 3. This room has cathedral ceilings, a view of the backyard, and its own 3-piece ensuite. We get a second look at this bedroom before returning to the hallway and making our way to the primary bedroom suite. This is a gargantuan room with a view of the backyard and 2 huge closets. The bedroom also has a luxury 5-piece ensuite with a dual vanity, a soaker tub, and a walk-in shower. Down 1 level and back to the kitchen, we use the side door to explore the backyard. Beautiful wooden steps lead to a fenced backyard with a garden shed, elevated planters, and a backyard bar that will be the envy of your friends and family. 531 Sargent Road is a spectacular home on one of the most desirable streets on BC's entire Sunshine Coast. This move-in ready home has been impeccably cared for and pride of ownership is obvious throughout. When people dream of living in Gibsons, this is the home they imagine. Interest will be through the roof for this one, so hurry and call Realtor Tony Browton right now before it's too late.
So there you have it guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about this or any other property, please give me a call. My phone number is 604-418-2695. I'd be happy to schedule an in-person tour for you or send you any additional information that you might be interested in. Thanks very much.